Hi, it's Shandy Autry. Welcome to the 1 Minute Kitchen. Ever made French toast with angel food cake? It is heavenly. Here's what you'll need. 1 angel food cake from a cake mix or store-bought, 1.5 cups of milk, 6 eggs, and a little butter. I'm serving it today with Cool Whip, fresh berries, some breakfast sausage, and bacon. Now in a bowl, crack the eggs, add the milk, and a little sugar and vanilla. Whisk it up so it's well combined. Then take your angel food cake and slice it in 1 or 2 inch pieces. Then dip the pieces in the egg mixture and let them soak for about a minute. Now add a little butter to a hot skillet and cook the pieces until golden brown on all sides. Repeat the process, and once all the pieces are browned, add your Cool Whip and berries to a platter, then surround them with the pieces of French toast. The sausage and bacon are cooked, so it's chow time. You can dip the pieces in Cool Whip or pour a little maple syrup over them. Either way, angel food French toast is heavenly. We'll catch you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.